wanna party now. We wanna party now. The DJ is ready to play, make we party now, yeah. And then see to your body like that. Do say to your body like that. Scotty to your body like that. No go kiss somebody like that.
Hey guys, welcome back, and we're just going to dive into the video. So I'm just cleaning off my brows with a concealer, and I'm just going to be going all over my lid with the same concealer, and I'm going to be blending that out with my finger to make it a base for my eyeshadow. Then I am going to be going in with this purple shade, and this shade is like kind of has like this kind of reddish undertone, and I'm going in with another purple shade that is much darker and it doesn't have that red undertone into it, and I'm blending those two together. Then I'm going in with a black shadow so that the colors get deeper, and I'm using a little bit, not a lot. Then I'm blending that out. Then I'm just going to be cutting my crease, and I'm using a concealer to do that. Then we are going in with an eyeshadow that's from Jasmine Labelle. It's called Golden Starlight, and I'm just going all over that place where I cut my lid, sorry. And then I am going to be going onto my lower lashes, and I'm just going to be blending that with the dark purple eyeshadows there. And then I'm going to be creating a wing with a black liner. So guys, if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, like, comment what kind of looks you want me to do next. I'm just starting, and then I am just going to be going in with a mascara on my top and lower lashes. I am not going to be using lashes for this look because that day where I was doing the look, I didn't feel like it. And then I'm going in with the same black liner above where that line is of the cut crease, and I'm just going over that. Then I'm going to be using foundation on my face. I'm using two shades. I'm using the Salami foundation in the shade F04, and I'm going to be using my Mary Kay foundation in the shade I think it's called Bronze. Then I'm mixing those two together and blending it all over my face with a beauty blender. Then I'm going in with the same concealer again, and I'm just going to be concealing all the areas that is supposed to be concealed. And if you would like to see a full contour and highlight video of mine on how I really do it when I'm not filming or like when I have the time, then be sure to leave that in the comment section below, and also tell me what you would like to see. Anyways, so I am now going to be going in with this powder contour palette, and I'm using the darkest shade to cut my cheeks and to contour every area that you see needs to be contoured. Then I'm going in with powder, and I'm just going to be just cleaning off everything and tying everything together so it doesn't look like a hot mess. Then I'm going in with blush. I use both shades on my cheeks, and then I'm just going to be setting my face. If you'd like to see how I make my setting sprays, be sure to leave that in the comment section below. Then I'm lining my lips with this maroon colored liner. It's just a drugstore liner that I use. Remember guys, you can use any products you want for this. And then I am going to be going in with my sleek lipstick in this. I can't remember the shade, but I've been obsessed with this, and I'm going in with that on my lips. Like most of my looks have this, so that's how much I love it. Then I'm going in with my Party Star highlighter, and I am just going to be highlighting my face with that, and my nose, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my forehead, my chin area, and also my Cupid's bow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay notified. Love you guys. Bye.
Go let the beat drop. Yeah, 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 very fun this.